Alright, good morning. It's us again. It's Friday morning and we are here in the plane, Cebu Pacific, through Terminal 1 and we are going to Boracay. It's Annika's first time to Boracay. Last time she was there, nasa loob pa siya ni Mrs. 2019. So, kasi it's the birthday of our friend. Tsaka dalawang friend actually. Tapos si Annika, kaka-birthday lang nung Wednesday.
It's her birthday!
So we decided to celebrate it there sabay-sabay na together with our friends. So the flight was delayed mga 1 hour and just rained actually. Si bagyong kanina nung Tuesday and Wednesday. So buti na lang, at least tapos na. So ngayon is a Friday. Mabilis lang, babalik na kami on a Sunday. So it's already 11 o'clock in the morning and it will take us about 1 hour to go to Boracay. So Katiklan will be our destination now, tapos tatawid ng bangka papuntang Boracay. So here's the plane, the big plane, A330. So we are seated at the back, at the very back. So birthday celebration ni Annika and their friends, and I haven't eaten breakfast, so doon ako mag-lunch, late lunch. So see you guys there. So it's 12:30 and we are about to land. We are up in the air. So take off 12 PM, it's 12:30 and we are descending. So maybe mga 20 minutes Katiklan na kami. See you. So still descending. We can see some island down. Annika is watching. She has the best seat in the house. Window seat. Nasa dulo kami. Dulo.
Mama, I see Dino.
Wife is sleeping.
Dada, I see Dino.
Where?
There.
There?
Yeah.
Yay! So we are finally deplaning at the back side. We are using Cebu Pacific. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. A little bit rainy. Medyo umuulan ng konti. So here's the plane. Punong-puno. Punong-puno yung plane. At the back side. Thank you. Oh, dali, baba na, baba. Oh. Hawak-hawak oh. Finally going down. Oh. There's the plane. Welcome to Boracay. Oh, Boracay. Here's the plane. Oh. Woo! Yeah. Thank you, Cebu Pacific. Oh, we made it to Boracay. Alright. Yan. So, ito yung airport. Maliit lang. And maraming tao. Boracay. Very popular. One of the most popular tourist spot destination in the Philippines. There's the airport. Tiny. Tiny airport. There. Ito yung itsura niya. Alright. We'll wait for the luggage. We just got our bags. Kakalabas lang namin ng airport. And we are waiting for a ride. We are staying in Astoria, if you are wondering. So, just waiting for the van. Then, we will be headed to the port. Dahil meron pang boat ride papunta sa island. Alright. So kung walang sundo yung hotel nyo, dun, public, mili ka. Tricycle, van, organized. It's pretty organized. So syempre mas maganda kung may sundo. So most of the hotels naman, they do have the sundo. So yeah, we're just waiting. So many tourists in Boracay. Lots of foreigners. Yeah. So the van is here. Yeah. Ewan ko lang kung may kasabay. Maybe others from Astoria also. Yeah. So it's a big van. Okay. So kami lang ang nasa van. Ayos. Private van. Yan, pag wala sundo, diyan ka pupunta. Mamili ka. So, van, sandaan, tricycle.
Parang ito rin yun.
Yan, mamili kayo. Alright? On our way to the boat port. Yan, dito na sa port and it's quite raining. Medyo magulo. Maganda sa Astoria, may nag-a-assist. Yan, si Kuya. So, pasok lang dahil medyo umuulan. No? So, hirap dito. Lahat nandito. Daming tao, gulo. So, maganda kayong hotel yun. Medyo may private na tao na nag-a-assist. Kasi kung hindi, makikigulo kayo dyan. Many people. So, si Kuya na yung mag-register sa amin dun sa tourist registration. Because you need to register if you're going to the island. Kaya, yun ang maganda. Sa hotels like Astoria, someone will assist you. So, medyo hassle-free. All you have to do is wait. Dahil as you can see, medyo magulo. Dahil ang daming tao. Again, this is Boracay. Everyone is here. And off-season pa, dahil July. And it's rainy season already. What if po April? Imagine April, May, summer. Hindi lalong puno to, diba? So, yun yung mga boat. Yan, kanya-kanyang bangka. Ewan ko ano yung itsura nung amin, no? Ito, Discovery yun. Mas private ng konti. So, ito yung ayos. This one. Discovery pala. Siguro ganyan yung itsura. Ayun, Astoria. No? So, maganda. Sila nagdadala ng luggage. Hassle kung ikaw. Ito. On the way to the island. So, look on the
Ano yan tayo?
to the island.
Sige na ito lang sa atin.
See you there.
Picture ko ba ito? Wait lang po. Kung nasa na lang.
Yan pala. Super lapit. Travel of Bumpy. Yan. So sa Lamitis, pababa na ng boat. And may isang sakay pa. To the hotel. Astoria. May waiting shed naman. Grabe, daming tao. So, yan. Boracay for you. On our way to the final transport to Astoria. Ayan. Nagpaan na. Kasi sun. White sun. Diyan naman famous si Boracay, no? And medyo umulan, kaya medyo basa. So yun ang maganda sa Astoria, no? You have your own private team assisting me. So dire-diretso na yung logistics. Okay, see you sa hotel. Per family ata, sari-sariling van. So again, we have the van to ourselves. Yan. First time ni birthday girl saan tayo?
Boracay.
Boracay. Oh, ba't wala ka? Oh, hindi pa kami nag-lunch. So, check-in, then late lunch. Then, dire-diretso na, swimming. Hindi ko alam. There's no plan. Okay. So, here we are. Station 1. Astoria. Simple lang. Here is the lobby. And, diretso na. Sa daan. Ito yung main road. Pakita ko sa inyo yung hotel from the outside. Yan ang mga transportation dito. The E-Trikes. No? So, Astoria is here. Yan. Astoria, Boracay, Station 1. Alright. So, check-in lang kami. And I think it's 2 o'clock already. And yung mga friends natin naka-check-in. Yan, no? So, here is the pool. Yan yung reception. Then, this is how it looks like. Yan, ganyan style lang. Oh. Simple. Maganda, Station 1. Hindi masyado magulo. So, you have a big pool here. There. Oh, check-in lang kami. Okay? Yan. So, here is the room. Malaki. 1 bedroom. Tapos, pwede ka mag-request ng additional bed. Magkano per night dito?
9,000.
Ha?
9?
9,000 per night. Pwede na, di ba? Station 1. Hindi nga lang siya beachfront, pero andun lang naman. Lalakarin mo lang a couple of meters away. So, the banyo. Let's see. Obese na. O, yun, oh. May tab naman. So, ayun. Ang laki. Actually, ang laki, oh. 9,000 per night. Okay? So, settle lang kami. Bihis. Then, we'll go for lunch. Then, dire-diretso na yun. Yan. So, we are all set. Gusto na mag-swimming ito. Kanina pa. So, there's a kiddie pool there. And, ganap lang kami a place to eat. Anyway, tira natin dito. Oh, let's wait for mama muna. Oh, dito, dali. We need to eat. Ito, siguro dito yung breakfast nila pag umaga. Ayan. Yun na style. So, buffet style. Then, the beach is just there. Oh, may sundae machine. Sige, pa-swimming ko muna to. So, here is the beach, Boracay. Yan ang Astoria. Medyo malakas ang alon. Masarap mag-swimming. Ako gusto ko pag malakas yung alon. So, hanap lang kami ng makakainan. At it's 3 o'clock and we haven't had lunch. So, tinan namin doon. Alright? Yan, here's Boracay for you. Yan. There's Boracay for you. Nagkakabagyo lang. Maganda sa station 1, wala masyadong tao. The sun really is super fine. I have to say. Nakamalinis ngayon. Yung nga lang, medyo malakas yung alon. Ayun, lakas oh. So, not everyone is swimming pa. And it's 3 o'clock. So, medyo may araw. Siguro mamaya, sunset. But the sun is really nice. Really fine. Pwedeng paa lang. Ayan siya, amiga. Okay. Ito maganda, may lilim. Yes. Beautiful Boracay. I have to say. Oh. So, Boracay. Yan yung iconic na pag-picture. Small island na yun. Pwede mag-surf kasi malakas ang alon. If you're into surfing, malaki. We are here in Two Seasons. Famous restaurant also. So we ordered the famous oyster sisig. I'm having the burger. And let's wait for the menu to come. Ayan, to sikat din to. Then the beach is just right there. So yung Astoria medyo dulo. So nag-tricycle lang kami papunta rito. Anyway, so kain lang kami, super late lunch. Then siguro swimming na. Bahala na later. First order of business, syempre, time to relax while waiting for our order. Famous for their pizza and their oyster sisig. Yan. Alright. So, the order is here. The famous oyster sisig. And I had the Angus burger. The birthday girl is having the mushroom soup. Simple lang naman kumain. And everyone is enjoying. Full house today. Off season. Sarap ng burger. And the sisig, syempre, ubus na. And kilala rin sila sa pizza. Ayan. 4 cheese, I think. Alright. So, we're just wrapping up. Then, headed back to Astoria. Para doon na siya mag-swimming for the rest of the day. Kasi beachfront naman yun. Doon na rin ako mag-iinom. Alright. See you later. Last order, sizzling bulalo. Parang di bagay sa beach. Ano ko dyan? You know? Wala na, kukurot lang yan. Hindi niya ubusin yan. Back here in Astoria, I think it's 4 o'clock. Wala tayong dalang relo. Hindi talaga ako nagdala ng relo because there's no plan for the entire weekend. So Anika is back here. She's swimming. There. So the plan is to swim for the rest of the day. Bahala na. Alright, see you later. So, Micah is here. Birthday din niya. Kailan ba birthday mo? Sunday pa. 40s. Club 40. Wala pa ba? 30s pa rin. Sige na, sige na. Okay na. So, the kids are enjoying again. Wala nang tao sa pool. So, it's just us. And, syempre, pag bora, walang gagawin, kundi BAM! Yan. Alright. So, we are just enjoying our time here sa pool. And no plan for today. See you later. So, the gang is complete. Yan, si Jello, birthday ng wife niya, Sunday. Micah, Sunday.
Hi.
So, the kids are here. Anya. Oh, ayan na sila, kompleto. Anika is here. Lexi is there. Anya is there. Oh. Ayan na, yan lang naman. Swimming sila. The hotel is here. Parang kinda staycation. Astoria. Very nice. 9,000 per night. With that room, with this facility, bababa ka lang, pool na. Gano'n ka ba ng pool, oh. Then, beach dun, sa harap. Lalabas ka lang, beach na. Lexi, oh, say hi to your future self. No? You want to see yourself in the future? Oh. Yun. So, that's why we're here. Dahil birthday. Yes. Kasi maraming birthday. Alright? It's already 4:30. Near 5 p.m. Magsa-sunset na, actually. Here in Boracay. Oh, tapa ko! Pa-slide-slide pa siya, oh. Oh. Kompleto na ulit. Ayos here, the celebrant. Oh, Alonso. So, swimming. Wala lang, swimming dito sa Astoria, Boracay. Station 1. Alright, kanina pa nag-slide to. Noong una, natakot pa. Pero ngayon, oh, let's go! Superman! Woo! Galing ah! Galing ah! Yeah, 5:30. So, sunset here in Boracay. So, the hotel is here. Astoria, Boracay. Yan. Sakto, ganda oh. Sunset. Ganda na lighting. So, everyone's out. Kasi yung araw, perfect. Ang daming tao. Imagine guys, off season. And we are here. Where's Anika? Ayan, oh. So, mag-play na sila sa sand. Man, everyone's out. Daming tao. Beautiful sunset. At saka low tide na. Kanina yung tubig nandito. Pero ngayon, it's already low tide. Layo na. Pero malakas pa rin yung waves, no? Ang daming tao, guys. Oh, yun sila Lexi, oh. Alright? Boracay sunset for you guys. You know. Sila misis. Grabe. Labasan tao. Torny. Oh, siya Torny. Misis. So, night time. So, dinner pala.
Halika dito.
We will be having dinner. At ito ang transportation natin ngayon. The E-Trek. Boracay. It's E-Trek. My guys there. Chinese restaurant.
Okay. Everyone, hold tight.
See you there.
Hold tight.
So, night time in Boracay.
Nasa Mandarin na tayo ulit, love. Yan yung hotel namin.
So, the beach is there. So, party na. But we will have dinner. I don't know where. So, the gang is waiting. Anton, Lexi. Oh, ano din eh? Micah. So, oh. You're still alive? Why are you still alive? Huh? We're going here. nighttime in Boracay. Are you enjoying Boracay? It's your like 4th time in Boracay. Right? Ayan, so mga night market, very busy and lots of people. Actually, daming tao sa Boracay. And it's off season. It's July. It's the rainy season. Surprisingly, ganun kalakas ang Boracay, no? Kahit tag-ulan, daming tao. Pero okay lang. That's what you came here for. No? One of the most popular tourist destination in the Philippines. Oh, are you hungry? Yeah, me too. I'm hungry. So, we are all hungry. I think we will be eating Chinese food. Chinese food? You don't like Chinese food? No? Okay, see you later. Yan, so here we are, Chinese restaurant in Boracay. It's called... Shit, I don't know. Ano pangalan ito? Ito yata. Li Shui. Private cuisine. Ayan nga, tama. Li Shui. Chinese. No? It's right beside ito. Sikat to eh. Itong Hello Mango. Yung Hello Mango, sikat yan. Sarap yan, mamaya. Pwede ka na mag-dessert yan. Kasi the owner of this one is the client of one of our friends, si Jello. So, where's Jello? Yan, yan. Sila yung owner, no? Yan, so... Chinese. Here's the gang. Ayun, ready na pala, oh. Oh, ready na pala. We have sweet and sour fish, fried chicken, crab, syempre. Alright, so the whole thing. Okay. Grabe. Sige lang, sige lang. Luto na agad. Pag-upo. Ayos ka. Big time si Jello. Friend niya yung mayari. Client niya. Mayari. Grabe. So if you're looking for Chinese restaurant here in Boracay, visit this restaurant. Legit. Time.
Totally walang rice.
Ba? Alright. Oh, ano ka? Hello. That's the owner. Alright. Woo, grabe. I'm so stuffed. Panalo. Li Shu. Li Shu restaurant. Chinese restaurant. Yan, oh. Did you like your food? Yeah, the food is very good. What? The food is really good. Sobrang busog.
Like and subscribe the button down below.
Wow, thank you. Are you subscribed? You're not even subscribed.
Down the low button. Hit your subscriber. And topic. Apple TV. Yababab. Home and news.
Anyway, we enjoyed our dinner. Thanks to Jello.
Yeah.
Sobrang solid. Overwhelming, no? Lahat yata ng menu nilabas. Lahat ng menu nilabas. Pero legit Chinese restaurant. So if you're craving for Chinese restaurant again, visit Li Shu. Oh, Anya. Hello. Happy Boracay. Are you enjoying your Boracay? So, we are just finished dinner and we are headed back to the hotel. At least that. I don't know what time it is. Wala ako relo. Hindi ako nagdala ng relo. Hindi naman kailangan. No? So, pabalik kami sa hotel. Rest for the night, for the day. And see you guys tomorrow sa breakfast. Alright, a beautiful night in Boracay. Night to night. Good morning. So, it's the next morning. Breakfast in Astoria. Yan ang itsura. Simple lang. And the gang is here. Attorney Micah, naka-swimsuit na. Naka-swimming yung dalawa. Parameda family. O, busy-busy ah. Ha?
Kaya lang nakahawak.
Kaya nga eh. So everyone's having O ikaw, masaya, sumasaya ka na. Kahapon, likot-likot mo ah. May sakit ka ata eh.
Say hello.
No. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung menu. What you can get from Astoria Buffet. Si Anton, attorney. Bawal-wala naman. So, dito pastries. Simple breakfast lang. They have pastries. They have toast. Yan. Then we have the cereal station. Yan. More tables. Desserts, fruits, salads. Yan. Tapos syempre here is the alcohol bar. Para mamaya, pag when you want to swim there, you can order it. Tapos the egg station. Egg. Hello. Omelette, pancakes, bacon. Then, syempre, I can't start my day without coffee. So, ito yung coffee nila. Brewed naman. Then, they have the hot choco. Tapos, the main course. Ayan, kung nasan si Mick. Pag-book up like this. Ayan. Pusit.
No.
Is dilis pala. Longganisa and corned beef. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Tapos diretso na sa pool. Yeah. So, yan ang style dito. Simple lang. But the place is nice. Tapos the rooms. Pwede kang mag-avail ng rooms. Pool view. Yan, dito. Kasi iba may balcony. Mas mahal na ata yan. Yan. Diretso na sa dagat. Boracay in July for you guys. So, alright, kaya na ako. Good morning! Beautiful morning, Boracay. Perfect weather. Anong oras na ba? Pero mga 10:30 na. 11. So, the kids are enjoying the sun. Yeah. So, if you're going to the beach, make sure may mga laruan ka. Very important. So, Astoria is there. Beachfront lang talaga kami. Sold na. And ang Boracay, kilala talaga sa sun. Super fine sun, white. Kaya in fairness, no, talagang maganda yung buhangin ng Boracay. Pwedeng kahit nakapaalam. Like her. So, kung hindi pa masyado mataas ang araw, so everyone is swimming. Pwede pa, hindi pa ganun kainit. Here is Inigo. Swim ka na! So, ayun. Andun sila. So, the plan for today, again, no plan. Killing time, lunch, swimming, merienda. Yun, yun nga ang gagawin. No? Tapos lakad-lakad doon. Gano'ng kahaba yung Boracay, no? So, anyway, see you later. So, it's 12 o'clock. Dito pa rin, di Bora beachfront ni Astoria. So, we are just hanging out. Nagchichismisa na itong tatlong to. The kids are here playing, only sleeping. So, we are getting ready to eat lunch. So, maganda, maraming mga homegrown restaurants dito in Bora. So, we want to try them. Siyempre, kasi sa Bora mo na makikita yun. So, I'll update you guys later. And Bora is really nice. If I may repeat again, once again. Ayan lang. Very wholesome. Tambay-tambay. Micah is here. And everyone is out kasi medyo tumataas na ang araw. And it's low tide. Low tide. Mamaya hapon, high tide na yan. Alright? Check you out later. Anong oras na? 1:30. Late lunch again, 1:30. We are on our way to ano yan? Dos Mestizos. Spanish restaurant ata yun. Homegrown din. Homegrown ba? Homegrown. So, sikat daw yun dito. So, we will try it out. It's a kilometer away from Astoria. And we will be riding the electric tuk-tuk. Okay. Inside the electric tuk-tuk.
Kayong payat.
On our way to Dos Mestizos, a Spanish restaurant. So, when in Bora, electric tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk. Which is nice, no? Hindi maingay. Less pollution. And yan, lahat dito electric. 100 per head. Ay, 100 per trike.
Bumalik kasi ako
So, per ride, 100.
Kailangan ko balik.
So, made it here in Dos Mestizos. Yan. So, style niya. Ganda. Medyo bahay ng konti. Looks very cozy. And aircon sa loob. Yan. My first time seeing the place. Oh, pwede card, everything. Yan, oy maganda. Maganda. So the place is good. Nice, walang tao. Kasi maganda rin kumain ng alanganin, walang tao. Ito, wala kaming reservation. Ito yung kitchen nila. Oh, ganda ng kitchen nila. Oh. Nice. Mukhang passionate yung may-ari nito. Ayan. So if you're looking for Spanish, no, here in Bora. Dos Mestizos.
Mike, dito tayo.
So here is the menu. Medyo pricey. Mahal-mahal. 1 plus isa. Actually mahal, Pailan nila mga 3,000. 2,000 medium. Medyo mahal siya. Should be good.
Barameda family, Mayday. Yan. Handa ka gumastos, mahal. Mahal.
So, the whole family is here. Oh, pogi nito
Lang, sunny side.
Oh, dahil tanghali na, hapon na, kape muna ako. So, warning, no? This place is not kid-friendly menu. Wala mga pambata. Meron sila fried chicken lang ata, then rice. You can order outside pero may corkage na 15%. So, yan. Just in case. Pero mahal talaga siya. Yung paella niya parang 5,000 large. 3,000 yung medium. But for the experience naman, should be good. Pero large naman daw yun. Alright. Ganda ng kitchen nila, Ayun, ewan ko ba kung steak yun o pork chop. Ganda. Lutuan nila. Talagang niluluto nila. As soon as you order. Very nice kitchen. Kaya siya mahal. Dami kasi nag-recommend dito. Friends namin, kilala namin. So may meat. Mga pang tapan nila. Ganda. Salpikaw, beef salpikaw.
Tsaka
Ito
yung
mabilis
favorite
din.
ni Micah.
Tapos yung salad. Sino kakain ng salad sa Boracay, no?
Si Micah.
Ayun, si Attorney. Kahapon pa nagda-diet din Mamaya pupulutin na namin sa kalsada Salad. But anyway, pag Spanish, may salad naman talaga. Siyempre, croquetas. Cheese ba yan? Cheese ata, ham. Croquetas. Yung fried chicken, mukhang solid. Simple lang. UFC na lang kulang. So, for the kids, ito, may ketchup. So, for the kids, fried chicken. Oh, ang dami mo kinakain Kung nagutom ka. Dalawa, busy. Alright. The food just arrived. Ganda ng pork chop, Ito pwede pa, 1,000. Malaki naman. Ito talaga, 3,000. Medium. So, kada bite, magkano yun? Dasapin mo, Wala mang presyo niyan. Pero, kidding aside, masarap naman.
Ano na mga nasty comments?
Wala. Yung channel nito, mahina Pero yung kotse, malakas.
Ano mga comments na
Out ng bahay namin. Wala na
Finish
space
our
na
lunch.
reserve na pangkain.
Panalo, ubos.
Saka hindi lang yun.
Actually, solid. You get what you pay for, actually. Medyo mahal, pero sulit naman. Yan. Everyone had fun. Everything was delicious. So, we are on our way back to... Saan tayo babalik?
The mall.
The mall. D-Mall, tapos dessert tata, no?
Dessert.
Saan?
Kita mahal yung tuition Sige, ko kaya si Jaro.
Mango ba? Mango.
Basta
Oo nga, tita. Ganyan pa.
cold, something cold.
Oh, dessert naman kami. It's, I think, ano ba yun? Almost 3 o'clock. So, again, wala namang plan, no? Talagang we just go along kung ano maisip. So, after heavy lunch, late lunch, dessert naman. Tapos swimming ulit mamaya. Sunset, babalik kami sa beach. So, yun lang. See you later. Here in D-Mall. Yan, ang pasyalan dito sa Boracay. Everyone's here. And the weather is nice. Walang araw. Kaya ako. So, si Mrs. gusto mag-coco mama for dessert.
coconut ice cream. Mamaya, malaman natin kung ano yun.
Then, sila, Maika. Ito ang gusto. Dessert bar. Mga ice cream din, halo-halo. Ayan. Tapos maganda sa loob. Very cozy inside. So, masarap mag...
Isang palitaw,
Dessert,
isang
here.
sa pita, sumagating.
Silipin natin yung orders mamaya. Dessert ni Mrs. Coco.
Coco Mama.
In coconut shell. Buko-buko. Ito sila, yan. Ginagawa. Lupit to. Sapin, mochi. Magkano to, ate? 295. Kakaiba, oh. Sapin, mochi. Kanino to? Ayos. $1. Siyempre, bago kain, tira muna, picture. Kala ko ba ayaw mo na kumain? Happy na happy sila, oh. Titikman lang naman. Busin nyo, ha. Kala ko ba kayo na ka pa nagko-complain? Bakit ang order mo, ha? To complete your IG stories. Instagrammable. Meron, pero puro bastos dun. Ayan. Ganda rin ang presentation. Kakaiba rin, ha. Something you don't see sa Manila.
Kasi wala.
It's 6 o'clock and we are stuck here. Dito tayo pa rin sa Astoria. We will have dinner here. Dito kami mag-celebrate ng birthday kasi it will rain. Pakita ko sa inyo. Looks like it will rain. So dapat na plan sana mag-swimming sana kami. But ayan, umuulan na nga. Maambon na. So maalon, no. Tsaka malamig. So it's a Saturday, 6 o'clock, Sabado. Naglabasan sana tayo kanina. But then naglakas ang hangin, grabe. Magabo na lang na ako kasi medyo maambon na. So ayun, dapat tayo. Pero wala na nag-swimming dahil malakas ang alon. Supposed to do that. Para sa iling na tawag. Kaya lang, hindi na pinayagan ng Coast Guard. Kaya malakas. So, the plan is we'll just have dinner dito sa Astoria. May pa-birthday cake din mamaya sa Astoria para sa celebrants. Then, inuman na lang after. So, yeah. Papakita ko sa inyo yung menu. Menu looks great. Yan. Here. Yung iba nag-early buffet na. Kaya yung dessert. Ito, specialty rin nila to. The bibingka. Yan. Astoria Special Bibingka. Yan. Sarap. And desserts. You know. Kompleto. Then for the mains, tanigi, buffalo chicken, pork, usobuco. Ito pala, meron pa, dami. Grilled pork belly, you know. Chicken satay, dami pala. Garlic mussels. Tapos ito, masarap. Dito ako excited actually. Merong pizza bar. So only kasi buffet type. Yan. You know. All meat, baka ito tirahin ko mamaya. Baka mamaya, one whole plate for me. Yan, with the toppings and all. And so we're just waiting for everyone. Sira ka plano namin. Dapat mag-swimming pa. But cannot anymore. So we're just killing time. Alright, see you later. Dinner time, 7 o'clock. Kakain na kami.
Ubus na ice cream.
Full house. Dinner na Astoria.
Watermelon yung
Bulan
one.
kasi, so everyone's here. Sarap naman yung
You want
food.
fruits?
Yung mga bigbalay. Then the buffalo wings. So everyone's just eating na. Then later, mag-inom na kami. Here's Lexi. Oh, taba-taba mo na. Ha? Still eating?
Oh, here's Anika and Lexi.
So, yeah. Tapusin ko na itong food. Then, I'll update you guys later. Mamaya, mag-iinuman na kami.
Alright.
Oh, ito. Thank you. So here in Station 2, 8:30 in the evening. So we will have drinks. Bar. Yan, dito kami sa OM Bar. OM Bar. And as you can see, umuulan. Yan, dito kami. Diyan din kami uminom dati. So, dahil birthday ni Ayi, tsaka ni Maika. Mamaya, sa lubong. Si Anika nasa bahay. Ay, nasa hotel, yung mga kids. No? Alright. So, here is the bar. Home bar. So, we are settled in. Feeling 20. No? Feeling 20 years old. Subukang gumimik. After 1 hour, tulog na lahat. Celebrating the birthday of Ai, Attorney, and Anika sa hotel. Right. Ibakwe, pwesto number 2. Dahil ang mga tita naiingayan doon. Sakit daw sa tenga dahil yung speaker katapat namin. Kung matatanda na kasama mo, di yata dapat sa bar kayo nagaya eh. 3 hours. Dapat sa Starbucks kayo nagaya. OM Bar. OM Bar. And sila gusto mag-sisha. So, sisha trip. Tapos beer. Celebration of the birthday celebrants. So yan, itong dalawa. Si Attorney, si Ai. Wala pa masyadong tao kasi maaga pa. 9. Mamaya-maya siguro dadami. But it's raining. Ulan. Bar in Boracay. Ito, sakto pala. Ito, Bacardi. Alright. Alright, good morning. So, we are in the airport. It's Sunday. Pauwi na kami to Manila. We are on our way back to Manila. It's 12 o'clock. Our flight is 2 p.m. via Cebu Pacific. So here is the situation in the airport. May Starbucks naman. Pero the airport is kinda old. Yan. Pero okay lang, di naman mainit, malamig. Marami lang talaga tao. As you can see. So sila Jello, sila Anton, naiwan doon. Bukas pa sila uwi. Kasi kami may pasok bukas. So, short trip lang to, Friday to Sunday. And it's raining, no? Pag July talaga off-season. Off-season pero ganyan karami tao. So, umuulan-ulan, umaambon-ambon. We were able to enjoy the beach as you have seen on Friday, tas morning ng Saturday. So, enough na yun, no? People in Boracay are great. Mababait stuff. Astoria is great. Kunin niyo yung room na may pool view if ever you choose to avail Astoria. Mas maganda yung may poolside view eh. Para may view ka, no? So anyway, that's it. It's the first Boracay of Anika, and we are happy actually, no? Siningit lang namin tong trip na to. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Signing out.